The UK is one of the world's most popular immigration destinations if you wish to live and work in a new country. Since December 1, 2020, before the end of the Brexit transition period, the UK visa points system was made easier for skilled workers. In many cases, you need to come under the UK points-based visa system, which measures applicants against various criteria designed to assess their eligibility for a UK work or study visa. You may need a visa to come to the UK to study, work, visit or join family. There are different visas depending on where you come from, why you want to come to the UK, how long you want to stay for, your personal circumstances and skills. Before you apply, you must check if you need a visa and what type you need. Depending on your nationality, you might not need a visa to visit or transit through the UK. Your application must be approved before you travel. You do not need to apply for a visa if you're an Irish citizen, if you're from the European Union, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland or Liechtenstein. If you or your family member started living in the UK by December 31, 2020, you may be able to apply to the Free European Union Settlement Scheme instead of applying for a visa. The deadline to apply was June 30, 2021 for most people. You can still apply if either you have a later deadline. For example, you're joining a family member in the UK who was living in the UK by December 31, 2020. You have reasonable grounds for being unable to apply by June 30, 2021. For example, you had an illness or were the victim of domestic abuse. If you want to visit the UK, apply for a standard visitor visa to visit the UK for up to 6 months. For example, for a holiday or to see family and friends, for a business trip or meeting, to do a short course of study, you must apply for a marriage visitor visa if you want to visit the UK to get married or register a civil partnership. If you have a visitor visa, you cannot take a job in the UK. If you're traveling through the UK, you might need a visa if you're traveling through the UK on your way to another country. For example, if you have a layover between flights, if you want to study in the UK, your course length, type and place of study affect which visa to apply for. A standard visitor visa lets you do a short course of study that lasts no longer than 6 months. A short-term study visa lets you come to the UK to study an English language course that is over 6 months and up to 11 months. A student visa is usually for a longer course. You must be sponsored by a licensed college or university and have a confirmed place. You may be able to do some work on this visa. A child student visa is for 4 to 17-year-olds who want to study at an independent school. If you're 16 or over, you can do some work on this visa. If you want to work in the UK, you can work in the UK on a short or long-term basis with a work visa. There are many types of work visa. The visa you need depends upon your skills and qualifications. If you have a job offer and sponsorship, if you want to bring your family with you, what you'll be doing, for example sporting, charitable or religious work, you can set up a business with a startup visa or an innovator visa. If you want to join family in the UK, if you're a spouse, partner or family member of someone who has British citizenship or settlement in the UK, you can apply for a family visa to join them. They may need to show that they can support you financially. You may be able to apply for indefinite leave to remain, ILR, after a set amount of time living in the UK. If your family member is in the UK on a visa, you may be able to apply for a visa to join a family member who's in the UK on a visa. They must be either your spouse or partner, your parent if you're 18 or under. If your family member is from the European Union, Switzerland, Norway, Iceland or Liechtenstein, you can apply for a free family permit if you have a close family member who was living in the UK by December 31, 2020. A family permit lets you live, work and study in the UK for up to 6 months. Close family members include your spouse or civil partner, child, grandchild, parent or grandparent. You can apply to the EU settlement scheme after your family permit expires. Family reunion visas for refugees. If you were separated from your partner or child when you were forced to leave your country, they can apply to join you in the UK. Your family members can apply if you have been given asylum or 5 years humanitarian protection and not have British citizenship. Other ways to get permission to live in the UK. Commonwealth citizens. You can apply for an ancestry visa to work in the UK if you have a British grandparent and meet other eligibility criteria. You may have right of abode to live in the UK. If you're a Commonwealth citizen and cannot prove your right to be in the UK, read about the Windrush scheme, returning residents. If you had indefinite leave to remain, ILR, and left the UK for more than 2 years, you'll need to apply for a returning resident visa to come back.